Hi everyone, welcome to Nam's channel. Today we are going to make this cute Valentine's Day air freshener keychain bag. So let's start it. At the very first, we need to do a magic ring, just like this. And then we put a hook into the hole, yarn over to make 3 chain. This is the first chain, and we need to do 2 more of this. And then we need to do a triple crochet. We yarn over twice. This is once, and one more time twice. We put our hook into the hole like this. Yarn over here. Yarn over, go through the 2 loops on our hook, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook, and then yarn over, go through the last 2 loops of our hook. This is a triple crochet, and we need to do 2 more of this. Yarn over twice, and then put a hook in the hole, yarn over 3 times in total, and yarn over twice, put a hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops, then yarn over, go through last 2 loops. Then we need to do 3 double crochet. We yarn over only once, put our hook in the hole, yarn over, and yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over 2 loops. We need to do 2 more, yarn over here, 2 loops, and then 2 loops. One more time, yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over 2 loops, and then 2 loops. In here, we do 1 chain and do a triple crochet, yarn over twice, put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops. And then we do 1 chain here, and then next we need to do 3 double crochet. We yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and yarn over, go through 2 loops. We need to do 2 more double crochet, yarn over here, go through 2 loops, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. One more time, yarn over here, 2 loops, and then 2 loops. After this, we need to do 3 triple crochet, yarn over twice, put our hook in the hole, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and then 2 loops, and then last 2 loops. Repeat it 2 more times. So after the 3 triple crochet, we need to do 3 chain in here, and then in the center we need to do a slip stitch. Put our hook into the hole, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly, just like this. We do 1 chain, and then we snip off. We put this end to close the circle in the center. And it's okay if you have a little hole in the center. We can use some decoration like this to hide it. And we need to do 1 more of this. You can do it with the same color or change the color just like this one. And I finished the second one. In here we make those 2 back to back like this. And we're gonna crochet the outside stuff. We put our hook in here, almost the center here, in the same place for the blue one, in here. And then we grab the outside color, put it in the middle of those 2, hold it, yarn over here, go through 2 of them like this. And in here we do 3 chain. This is the first chain, second one, third one, and then jump to the next stitch. We're gonna do a slip stitch. We put our hook in the same place of the 2 of them, and yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. We do 3 chain, and then next stitch is a slip stitch. Put our hook in both of them, just like this. And then we do 3 chain, we just continue doing it, and then slip stitch. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will update weekly. We will repeat it to the end, and then we will do the chain part. So when we almost finish all of them, don't forget to put the air freshener back in it. I have one last stitch after the 3 chain, so in our very last stitch we put our hook in for the both sides, and in here yarn over, do a slip stitch. Now in here we're gonna do 9 chain, and then jump to the center part for the both sides. We're gonna do a slip stitch, and in here we pull hook directly and do 1 chain, snip off, then use a needle to weave those in. So this is all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next week. Bye!